Hello Syndicators, welcome back to my channel again today, and today's unboxing is the KitSound Hive2. It's a wireless Bluetooth stereo speaker, has increased the power, increased the clarity of sound since the Hive. Hive2 has exceptional sound quality, 40mm active drivers with an immersive digital amplifier combined with a passive bass radiator, creating 12 watts of engineered sound that delivers warm, rich bass notes alongside a controlled mid-range and delicate treble. Just surround yourself with quality sound that you would never believe comes from such a small speaker. The Hive2 has sturdy design that can happily live through a bump or to a long side or 12 hours of playtime after just one single charge. Smart devices with wireless connectivity can easily connect to the Hive2 or even through one-touch and NFC pairing. And most mobile phones, tablets, MP3 players and computers can access its wonderful sound through the line-in connection. Receive a call that usually interrupts your tunes? Don't worry, the Hive2 has call handling built in, so you can talk hands-free, then return to your music again. The company is an award-winning British audio brand that believes great-looking, high-quality audio products shouldn't cost the world. Their goal is to help music bring more people together through their range of premium headphone speakers and accessories. They are a UK seller with an experienced and friendly UK-based customer support team. A smart device can easily connect as well as phone, tablets and MP3 players and computer through the line-in connection. You have all knocked something that you have loved, which is why the Hive2 has a sturdy rugged design that lasts. The 40mm active drivers and a digital amplifier create 12 watts of sounds that delivers warm, rich bass with a delicate treble. Compatible with most Bluetooth-enabled mobile phones and tablets, including iPhone, iPad, Samsung Galaxy, Huawei, Google, Sony, and many more. Play and listen to your favorite music all day with Hive's tools, 8 hours playtime with stereo pairing. You can join two Hive2 speakers together. Mix, match and choose your style of KitSound great range of colors. Well, that is all up for today with KitSound Hive2 Bluetooth wireless stereo speaker. For more product details, check out the links in the description below. Like, comment and share, and never miss any updates by hitting the subscribe button and stay connected with me, Cyrus Syndicate UK.